initiatives in the field of education and rural development. His motivational videos are viral, having reached almost 2.5 billion views. With over 21 million followers across all social media platforms, he is known as the urban online monk. His debut book, Life's Amazing Secrets, which is an Indian national bestseller, sold a record of million copies. His second book, Energize Your Mind, released on the 1st of January 2023, is already a national bestseller as well. He's been the recipient of many awards, including the most prestigious Dadasaheb Phalke International Film Festival Award, Lokmat's Most Stylish International Life Coach Award, an honorary doctorate by KIIT University, and many more in the recognition of the work that he has been doing. Based on the timeless wisdom coming down from ages, he talks and his talks make the audience think a lot deeper and find simple solutions to difficult problems. Ladies and gentlemen, with a huge and a thunderous round of applause, let's welcome Sri Gopal. Namaste. Thank you so much for taking up time. This audience has been waiting for you since morning. We're extremely privileged to have you.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you. Wow. What analogy do I have from electrical engineering for holistic happiness? You know? I always say, you know something? We cannot add too much more time to the life we have. Can you? Can you add more time to the life we have? No. But can you add enough life to the time you have in this world? जिंदगी के अपने वक्त में ना और साल नहीं लगा सकते हम, लेकिन जितने साल बचे हैं उसमें जिंदगी जरूर डाल सकते हैं. And from electrical engineering, it's like having a high power voltage source to infuse current. जिंदगी में ना करंट देना पड़ता है. हम लोग ऐसे मरे हुए डेड वायर्स हो गए हैं कई बार. ऐसे जीवन भी है जो जिए ही नहीं, जिनको जीने से पहले ही मौत आ गई. फूल ऐसे भी है जो खिले ही नहीं, जिनको खिलने से पहले फिजा खा गई. ऐसे जीवन भी है जो जिए ही नहीं, जिनको जीने से पहले ही मौत आ गई. So just going through the routine life of work, family, commitments, responsibilities, mortgages, EMIs, which we all will have to do. Pies, guys, they're pies, we can't escape them. Don't forget that there is a life to live. और वो है ना, वो करंट है. डेड कंडक्टर वायर होता है ना, उसमें करंट डालने के लिए एक वोल्टेज सोर्स लगता है. और जिंदगी में भी करंट अगर भरना है, लाइफ डालना है, तो एक वोल्टेज सोर्स लगता है. दैट वोल्टेज सोर्स इज अ स्पिरिचुअल सोर्स. विजडम, नॉलेज, रियलाइजेशन, द राइट काइंड ऑफ कंपनी which will infuse your life with life. Like a dead wire will be infused with a current when it's connected to the right source. Okay?
Sir, we just have this, ma'am. Can
Yes,
you pass
madam.
the mic to the lady?
Yes, ma'am.
Radhe Radhe Guruji.
Radhe Radhe ji.
You are the role model to many people across the world.
Okay.
Who is yours role model?
Oh, wow. I am the role model to many people in the world. Who is my role model? I don't know if I am the role model to... sorry, I'm just joking. I was telling one of my friends, you know, I told him what a hairstyle I have. Can you imagine? I don't have to spend time. Look at that guy's hair. कितना टाइम जाता होगा इसको. ये सामने बैठा, इसका नाम क्या है? कर्ली हेयर. कितना वक्त जाता होगा उसको करने में, राइट? नो माय, हाँ. मेरा हेयर, आई टोल्ड हिम, लुक एट माय हेयर स्टाइल. आई डोंट हैव टू स्पेंड टाइम ग्रूमिंग माय हेयर. What an advantage. He said there's a big disadvantage also. I said what? He said, you don't know till where to wash your face. Boundary नहीं है ना. मालूम नहीं कहाँ तक चेहरा धोना है. So I'm not sure if I am a role model to many in the world or anything, madam. I'm trying to serve in my tiny capacity whatever I can, and if people consider you something, no, it's their goodness and greatness. वो ना लोगों की अच्छाई होती है कि वो आपको कुछ मानते हैं. अपनी अच्छाई नहीं होती, you know. All this introduction that people gave with 2.5 billion video views and 21 million plus social media followers, ये कोई मेरा थोड़ी ना लोग फॉलो कर रहे हैं ना भाई. ये सब लोगों ने पहनाया हुआ ताज है अपने सर पे. It's their crown that they have put it on our heads. I can't ever be, and nobody should be under the illusion that it belongs to us. So I don't know if I'm a role model or anything of that sort. I do know one thing, that I'm trying my tiny bit to be authentic and share what I've learned in the easiest, simplest possible way that it can connect to people from diverse backgrounds and with diverse age groups as well. That's my attempt. But I can definitely tell you who my role models are. Right. My role models are, number one, my grandmother. She died 2 years back. She was 100 years old when she died. She lost her husband. She lost 2 of her daughters. She lost 4 of her grandchildren. She lost 1 of her son, my father. At 91, she fell down from the ground and she broke her spine. We took her to the hospital to fix her spine, and she was detected with cancer. She fought the cancer, she fixed her spine, she got on and started walking after physiotherapy, and then 2 years later she again broke her spine and went to the hospital. She took treatment, got back on her feet and started walking. A third time when she was 97, she broke her spine. She went to the hospital, got her spine fixed, went to the physiotherapist, started walking again. At 99, when we had to put her into a old age home during COVID, we didn't have a choice. We didn't want to send her to an old age home, definitely not. But because COVID, no nurses were willing to come home. Nobody was willing to come to where we were living. So my mom and my sister had to take that very hard decision, and I had to be involved to say, don't be. Thank you, thank you.
I am about to give you happiness. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very
so
much.
much, sir.
Thank you. All the best. Yeah, thank you. All right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I will request all of us to stand up and give a standing ovation to Shri Gaur Gopal Das Ji for those insightful words for us to take these lessons forward in our daily life. We request you to please stay with us, because I'd now like to invite on stage Shrutika Diwan, the Chief Marketing Officer of the Outlook Group, to please join us on stage to felicitate Shri Gaur Gopal Das Ji. Would you want the mic to pick up?
She has a question now. Felicitation में question आ गया. Really 4 times stood up in this
नमस्कार, माई सेल्फ आर के गुलाटी, उम्र 71 साल. मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल हैप्पीनेस गुलाटी, वहाँ मेरी उम्र 17. आप 5 मिनट यूट्यूब देखिए और जो आपने बोला प्रैक्टिकल ले जाइए. मुझे 5 मिनट स्टेज दीजिए, जो आपने कहा तो सारा करके दिखा दूंगा. बट क्या है, अगर आपका ब्रेन इन रिक्रिएशन है, देन आपकी ट्रैवलिंग हैप्पीनेस है, देन पे विजय पा लीजिए. टी, अगर आपका डाइट ठीक है और डेली रूटीन ठीक है तो आपकी विजय है. ईगो छोड़ दीजिए, एग्रेट छोड़ दीजिए. टी, आपकी ट्रैवलिंग हेवन में हैप्पीनेस हो जाएगी. अगर नहीं कर पा रहे तो 5.
Are we 100? Are we going through cancer? Are we going to 5 times our spine breaking down? Are we going to so many deaths in front of your eyes? She just refused to give up. If there be any little iota of strength I have in me, I credit that to my grandmother. My mother is my role model. Man, I'm telling you, that woman, the grit she has, the determination she has. She came from a simple vernacular background. When she was in her 11th grade, back then I was in a womb. And when I was born, she decided to drop out to care for me. She was just an 11th grade pass out. She never got educated after that. My mother started a small business by herself. And she was responsible to buy 5 apartments based on her own business. Right. An enterprising lady. If you see all this growth and where I go and what I do, that spirit to do it comes from my mother, role model. And when it comes to all the spiritual wisdom, I think for me personally, there are two personalities. One, I have to say it, keep the religious side aside, keep all the religious dogma and religious affiliations aside. I am extremely inspired by Sri Krishna as the role model. Because the pragmatism of Lord Krishna in the Mahabharata and the wisdom that he shares in the Gita, at any time, anybody is a universal wisdom which can be applied anywhere in the world and life will change and transform. And my Guru Radhanath Swami, whose inspiration, whose guidance and whose encouragement keeps me going. So these are my role models. Hare Krishna. Thank you. All right.
Yes, can we have a question from this side as well? Yes, I see a hand up here, sir. The sir with blue shirt. Can we pass in the mic, please?
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Guruji, I am very much thankful for the way you are guiding us. My question is how to balance life.
How to balance life?
Yeah, we have family life, spiritual life, we care about health and so many things. Please guide us how to balance life.
Thank you very, very much for asking. Can we give a loud round of applause for this? Thank you very much. Because ये सब ना सुनने में अच्छा लगता है. Invest in your mental, emotional, spiritual, social, financial. You step out of this place and you realize life is different. How many of you realize this? सुनने में ना ऐसा एड्रेनलिन चढ़ जाता है. आज से मैं करने वाला है. My life sorted है. सब retirement planning सब करने वाला. बाहर निकलो, all the adrenaline goes down because real life challenges come forward to us. So very, very valid question. How does one actually find that balance? Have you ever seen a tightrope walk, sir? Where this little girls or men sometimes walk on a rope, and when they're walking on a rope, the rope has a very little surface area. So for them to balance themselves on the rope is very difficult. सर आप बैठ जाइए नहीं तो थोड़ा हटेंगे क्या? ओ जी, हाँ जी, उनको उनका क्वेश्चन है, उनको देखने दो ना भाई, बैठ जाओ. Thank you. So this, when you're walking on a tightrope walk, it's not easy to balance. आपने देखा होगा उनके हाथ में एक बाम्बू होता है ना? जब वो चलते हैं, while they're walking on that tightrope, जैसे ही थोड़ा बैलेंस इस तरफ होने लगा तो इधर बाम्बू करते हैं, फिर अगला कदम रखते हैं और इस तरफ को हो गया तो ऐसा करते हैं. ऐसा करके वो बैम्बू को थोड़ा हिला के वो लास्ट पॉइंट तक पहुंच जाते हैं. राइट? नाउ कैन एनीबडी डिफाइन दिस? That at this point, when you're at point A and you're meant to go at point B, can anybody say that 1 foot and 21 inches away from point A, you need to tilt the bamboo 30.1 degrees to the left? ऐसा definition हो सकता है? नहीं. क्योंकि वो जो वॉक है ना वो बहुत डायनेमिक है, वो बदलता रहता है, कोई डेफिनेशन वाला नहीं है. तो अपने अंदर के गट को ट्रस्ट करता है वो. जैसे इधर आ गया, इतना थोड़ा गया तो वो कोई एंगल गिन के नहीं कर रहा है, ऐसा करते करते चल रहा है. लाइफ इज लाइक दैट टाइट रोप वॉक. देयर इज नो आइडियल बैलेंस. सॉरी टू से दैट. बैलेंस इज द बिगेस्ट मिथ दैट सोसाइटी हैज प्रेजेंटेड टू अस. हाँ, या बता रहा हूँ ना, सुनो ना बता रहा है. The point is that this ideal balance doesn't exist. There'll be sometimes when your work will demand too much attention because of fiscal year to financial year closing. तो एक साइड निगलेक्ट होने वाला है, नींद नहीं होगा, घर पे अटेंशन नहीं होगा. उसको गिल्ट लेके मरते नहीं बैठने का, क्योंकि ये अभी का जरूरत है, ये इधर करना ही पड़ेगा ऐसा. और कभी कभी होगा कि घर में वाइफ इतनी बीमार है, अस्पताल में इतना अटेंशन देना पड़ रहा है कि काम से थोड़ा ध्यान हट जाए. उसमें गिल्ट में मरते नहीं बैठने का, क्योंकि ये अभी प्रायोरिटी है. लाइफ बैलेंस इज अ वेरी डायनेमिक थिंग एंड एट एवरी मोमेंट डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ आवर लाइफ विल नीड अटेंशन. गिव अटेंशन टू दैट एस्पेक्ट. Try your best to see how much you can manage, but don't feel guilty कि सब ठीक नहीं है. 100% सब कभी सही होगा नहीं. 2009 my father left this world. And I was meant to go to Germany. There's a place called Schloss Elmau, and very high-end place. And I was meant to be at a summit, which is like the top summit in Europe. Very, very important as a keynote speaker. मेरी माँ अकेली पड़ गई, पिताजी चले गए, वो समिट 4 दिन में था, माँ को अकेले छोड़ के मैं नहीं जा पाया, कैंसिल कर दिया मैंने उसका। अब उसको गिल्ट लेके क्या ही बैठना है, क्यों रोता बैठो, और आएगी आगे अपॉर्चुनिटी, होगा ना कुछ, सारा ब्रह्मांड और सारा यूनिवर्स देख रहे हैं ना, कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा। Therefore, don't live in guilt. There will always be certain aspects that will need more attention than the other at different times in your life. Pay attention to them. और एक चीज बस रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, थोड़ा गिल्ट में जीना बंद कर दीजिए। ये नहीं हो रहा है, इधर अटेंशन नहीं दे पा रहा हूँ, ये नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, वो नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, पाए पे ध्यान मत दीजिए, अपने एक्स पे जीते जीते खुद के लिए थोड़ा जीना मत भूलिए। दैट्स नॉट स्वार्थ, दैट्स नॉट सेल्फिशनेस, दैट्स सेल्फ केयर। इन्वेस्टमेंट इन योर ओन सेल्फ, इन योर ओन इमोशनल वेलबीइंग इज क्रिटिकल गाइस, एब्सोल्युटली क्रिटिकल। खुद को मत भूलिए। लोग क्या कहेंगे इस सोच में हम कुछ यूं उलझे जा रहे हैं, लोग क्या कहेंगे इस सोच में हम कुछ यूं उलझे जा रहे हैं। दिल करना कुछ और चाहता है, हम किए कुछ और जा रहे हैं। सोचते हैं वक्त बहुत है हमारे पास, इतनी भी क्या जल्दी पड़ी है। सोचते हैं वक्त बहुत है हमारे पास, इतनी भी क्या जल्दी पड़ी है, अभी औरों के हिसाब से जी लेते हैं, हमारे पास तो सारी उम्र पड़ी है। दिल और दिमाग की इस कश्मकश में जिंदगी की पन्ने बड़े रफ्तार से पलटते जा रहे हैं। इतने तो हम जिए भी नहीं अभी तक दोस्तों, जितना बेवजह रोज मरे जा रहे हैं। Stop crying, guys. Stop crying, stop living. Because you know what? As you reach a certain age, turn your loneliness into solitude. Loneliness is forced upon you when people are not there with you. Solitude is something that you've chosen. तो दूसरों के साथ रिश्ता निभाते खुद से रिश्ता जोड़िए। अभी दूसरों से प्यार करते हो तो खुद से भी प्यार करना सीखिए। दूसरों को गिफ्ट्स देते हो, खुद को भी कभी गिफ्ट देना सीखिए। दूसरों को वक्त देते हो, खुद को भी थोड़ा वक्त देना सीखिए। दूसरों के लिए सब कुछ करते हो, खुद के लिए भी कुछ करना सीखिए, क्योंकि जब रिटायर हो जाओगे हो सकता है कि एक ही कोई बचा है, वो है खुद। और तभी लोनलीनेस नहीं होनी चाहिए, सॉलिट्यूड। हियर्स माय कंक्लूजन, लास्ट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ वेलबीइंग, फाइनेंशियल, फिजिकल, मेंटल, इमोशनल, एंड दैट्स द लास्ट वन थिंग। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हेट योर जॉब? आउटलुक वाले बोल रहे हाथ नहीं उठा सकते, बॉसेस सब सामने बैठे हैं। How many of you love your job? Wow, क्या ऑडियंस है। मेरा loud round of applause for yourself, guys. क्या ऑडियंस है कि all of you love your job? That's like amazing. My gosh. How many of you heard of Andre Agassi? Of course, the tennis legend. He wrote his autobiography called Open. And in Open he writes how he hated tennis all his life. Tennis legend who hated tennis all his life. दोस्तों किया उसने जो किया, लेकिन जिंदगी में ना जब सब जॉब वॉब खत्म हो जाता है तो एक्टिव लाइफ खत्म होती है, तो कुछ करने के लिए भी होना चाहिए। उसको हम पर्पस कहते हैं। Which is why Andre Agassi made so much money, worked hard, and started the Andre Agassi Charitable Foundation, in which he works for education. क्या हमको एंड्रे अगासी इतना बड़ा काम करना है रिटायरमेंट? नहीं। बॉम्बे में एक लेडी है, किरण कामरा, 2021 में जब सेकेंड वेव के कोविड में, शी वेंट टू सी अ फैमिली गाय एट द हॉस्पिटल, एडमिटेड था बेचारा, उधर गई है, herself old, retired from active life, 7 years she was a patient of Parkinson's disease, ये सर उठा नहीं पाती थी वो, वहाँ गई देखने के लिए। In the government hospital she saw many patients who didn't have food to eat, who didn't have money. The lady came back home, started cooking khichdi, and took permission from the government hospital dean to check if she can serve free khichdi at her expense to those needy kids. Started feeding 100 patients daily, guys. आज उनको मराठी में खिचड़ी वाली अज्जी बोलते हैं, खिचड़ी वाली दादी बोलते हैं. आज तक उन्होंने 10,000 पेशेंट्स को खाना खिलाया है, 100 को खिलाते. गरीब है तो बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा नहीं है, बट देयर इज अ विल, देयर इज अ वे. पार्किंसन से हाथ हिल रहे हैं, उठने नहीं हो रहा है, लेकिन जब करने के लिए कुछ होगा ना, ये छोटा हो जाता है, अपना दर्द छोटा हो जाता है, राइट? इफ यू डोंट हैव एनीथिंग टू डू, ऑल योर दर्द विल ऑक्यूपाई योर माइंड एंड यू विल बिकम अ wreck internally, which is why find a purpose, guys, and complete your life. A complete life, a holistic life is about financial well-being, physical well-being, mental well-being, emotional well-being, and spiritual well-being. So while you learn how to plan for your future, when you're retired, for your finances, make sure you plan the other sides as well. So when you're at that stage in your life, you'll have a very fulfilled and satisfied life. Complete करिए life को, नहीं तो life तो finish एक दिन होने ही वाली है. किसी ने एक आदमी से पूछा, शादीशुदा था वो, उसको पूछा, what is the difference between the word complete and finished? The guy said, if you get married to the right person, your life is complete. If you get married to the wrong person, your life is finished. But if the right one catches you with the wrong one, your life is completely finished. Thank you all very much, guys. It's been a great pleasure speaking to all of you. Thank you once again, Arjun, for having me here. I'm wishing you the best for this expo and all of you to be able to invest in every dimension of your life. Thank you very much. Okay. How did I know this is my part? Wow. आप लोग बैठ सकते, कितनी देर खड़े रहेंगे आंसर में? How did I know this is my path? How many of you had an arranged marriage, guys? Okay, thank you. How many of you had a love marriage, guys? Okay, thank you. How many of you, when you had a love marriage, had like multiple choices but chose one? ये सर का हाथ ऊपर है, सर थोड़ा हाथ ऊपर और करिए ना. वो लव मैरिज में के पास मल्टीपल चॉइसेस था, उन्होंने एक उसमें से चुना. You know what the height of flirting is? The height of flirting is a guy writing a love letter saying to whomsoever it may concern. Sorry about that. But as an answer to that question, how did I choose my path? Choosing your path is like finding your love in life. That's why I spoke about love marriage. It's like finding your love, right? As you start looking at, if a guy or a girl is wanting to get into a relationship, they're looking at different people, seeing whom they resonate with. Sometimes they're confused between 3, 4, and slowly and steadily they narrow down their option to one because उनको देख के इनके दिल में कुछ होता है, right? They start connecting and resonating with that person a lot. So similarly, when it comes to life's path, there are multiple options that you begin with. There's so much going on. I could do this, I could do this. And slowly and steadily you start looking at what are you passionate about? How your heart beats, like for an individual relationship. Maybe you 5 things, but you choose one. Why? Because your heart passionately feels for that person. So how did I find this was my path? Because my heart passionately felt for this. At HP, I was very good at doing my work. Not that I was terrible, I was great at it. But I didn't feel the same passion for what I was doing the way I felt for what I'm doing now. So I chose this path because out of the multiple options that I had, this was one for which my heart was beating the hardest and the loudest. Like for a girl, a guy, or a guy, or a guy, the heart starts beating really fast. Secondly, when you're choosing your path, you know, I always say that we end up spending more than 90,000 hours of our life at our workplace. Big calculation behind it, average 90,000 hours. That accounts to about 10 years of our life. Now, if you do something that you're not passionate about, if you do something that you're not cut for and you don't fit in, you're spending 90,000 hours of your life in misery. 90,000 घंटे कम नहीं होते। तो कभी मैंने अपने HP वाले जॉब में अपने आप से पूछा कि क्या मैं जो कर रहा हूँ 90,000 घंटे, कैन आई कंटिन्यू डूइंग व्हाट आई एम डूइंग? The answer was a loud, clear no. I said, which means I have to look for a path that I can spend 90,000 hours with, just like an individual in a relationship. You can't spend time with everybody all the time. You figure out who are those individuals with whom you can spend the rest of your life. Again, I don't advocate such risks. Otherwise, tomorrow all corporate houses will be empty. Saying Guruji said, find your path by seeing what you're passionate about. Don't spend 90,000 hours in misery. The fact of the matter is we have real life liabilities, mortgages, loans, problems at home, for which a secure fallback option of a stable job is needed. I took the risk of moving out and going after my love. For most people I say, stay with what you are or whatever you're doing and side by side start your love affair as well. You know, side by side जो करना चाह रहे थे ना, वो करना शुरू करो. हो सकता है अंदर जैसा कुछ हो जाएगा एक दिन. So I chose my path based on how my heart resonated with this path. I call what I do as my love affair, madam. This is a love marriage and I'm in love with what I do.
Could we have a small token of appreciation?
हाँ.
A small token of appreciation,
Yeah,
Shrutika?
So very. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Let's have one last huge round of applause for Shri Gaurgopal Ji for his time, for his insights and for lessons of life. Ladies and gentlemen, with that we draw curtains to our